Hello traders out there in trader land. My name is D7 here at Grok Trades. This is Hump Day, Wednesday. This is April 3rd, 2019, and I want to do a midweek video because of the massive change that we saw starting Monday. Insane markets on Wednesday. Quite bullish. NASDAQ up 0.5%. Same for Russell's 2000. Financials up 0.3%. US dollar slightly down. Same as crude oil down. Silver higher. Gold lower. VIX increasing by 3%. And that's something. Now think about it. Fear is increasing by 3%, but the markets are bullish. That is a warning sign. Bitcoin over 5,000. Are you kidding me? At the time, we're at 5,200. Crazy. Let's look at the markets here, starting with the spiders. Daily chart. So I had a sell on this, and everything looked very, very bullish or bearish. And I built a big case for that. But nonetheless, the markets popped on Monday. Yesterday, they continued higher. Today, they continued higher. I was not able to put a buy arrow because what I'm seeing in the other indications, the lower volume, the extension here, going into a major area of resistance. Like, look at this red line. Let me just give you an example. This red line, we found some support here, but more, this is a major area of resistance. Major area resistance, major area resistance, and that's right where we're at right now. We open at that area of resistance. Matter of fact, if we were to dial that in a little more, these trend lines move, which irks me to no end. See this? Resistance here, and we drop. Resistance, 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 resistance. See that? And that's where we're at. Okay, let's go back to the candlestick. We opened at resistance. Market makers know exactly what they're doing. They opened it at that area. And so the reason I don't have a buy signal here is because of those things. I feel like we're going to drop Thursday and Friday, that we're going to start heading down. My question is, will we see an increase in volume? Will we see that if we do drop? If not, we can base sideways. Again, that will be a bullish move. Diamonds. A big pop. I had to put principle told me I had to put a buy on this on Monday because we broke a major area of resistance on the Dow 30. NASDAQ had to put a buy on it because we released off a support level. But look at this. This is like a shooting star. Half tempted to put a sell on that right now. And matter of fact, if I go here too, I already have a sell, so I can't put a sell on that one again. That's on the spider. I'm sorry, I'm jumping around here. NASDAQ, I have a buy. I'm going to go ahead and put a sell on that because I just think it's going to reverse. Small caps, I already have a sell on it, and I'm going to stay with the sell. Look how we're finding a sell right here at this major trend line. Let me show you this trend line. It's not anything to ignore. Right here's resistance, and we had a resistance. See this? We dropped. If I bring in candlesticks, see how we touched it there? I know you have to zoom in. Here, I'll zoom in for you so you don't have to. Again, this is the Russell's 2000. Resistance there. We went up and touched resistance. See that? We come back down. Here, we opened above it and came down. If you go to a line chart, it doesn't touch it at all. But it's highly valid. You have to draw your trend lines correctly. We come over and see how we touch it right there. Major area of resistance. If I show you the candlestick, that's what it does. We gap up and then down. We gap up and then down. Very indicative to specialist market maker behavior. Which if you go to Grok Trade, right at the top, I think it's the middle button at the top, it's market maker education there. And there's a lot of money to be made. This comes across and, oh no! I moved that. Didn't mean to. I think it was on this one. Or was it on that one? I don't know. I don't know where it was. Guys, if anybody can tell me, I accidentally grabbed that and moved it. Was it over on this one or was it on that one? Daggone it. So right now I have it over the second one. Hate that I do it. Extra bonus points for anybody who can tell me that. Because I need those arrows to stay static, not unmoving. Because I'm under public scrutiny here. here I got to sell. I'm going to stay with my sell because there we are. See the gap up and sell off, just like we saw here, just like we saw here before sell offs. This is indicative of a sell taking place, especially at this major trend line. But this overall is a big bull flag. In the long run, small caps could actually get really, really bullish. So something to watch for. This is the Russells. Russells, I already have a sell on it, but I'm good with it. It's the 200-day moving average. I just think that we have a good chance of dropping. We're extended. There's no way I can put a buy on this thing being so extended. That's why you don't see one. I already have a sell in the US dollar, and we are heading lower. Crude oil, I have a buy on, and it's going higher. I'll stay with my buy. Silver, today's Wednesday, so Tuesday we have a buy on silver. Gold, same thing, put a buy on gold yesterday, Tuesday, and I like silver better than I like gold right now. VIX is down here at a support level, and it's going to get a buy signal, guys. The fear is expected to go higher. Bitcoin is up, and away. My buy signal on that is back here on January 19th. And that buy signal was at 3,600, almost 3,700. We're at 5,200 right now at the time of this video. Midweek video. I hope this was beneficial to you all. And oh man, thank you for all of the comments on the April Fools. I did not mean to give heart attacks. And a couple of you guys got me back saying, I'm unsubscribing. I love it. You guys were punching me back. You were, poking fun at me. And then, anyway, I love it, love it, love it. I love engaging with you guys. I just love you guys all. I got a new haircut. It's short, much shorter than it normally is. You guys don't care, I'm sure. But my wife told me, as nobody on this earth has more hairstyles than you do. It's constantly changing. So anyway, there's this guy I go to, useless information for you. And it's a 30-minute drive for me. And it's in the belly of the beast of Indianapolis. I mean, in an area that you want to be packing your weapon. It's just a rough area. There's this guy there, and he's an Asian of some sort, older gentleman, and he runs a barber shop. And one day I was in the area I was at it's a fort there. It's a military fort, and I was spending some time there, and it's where all the paychecks for the government comes from, Fort Benjamin Harrison. All the paychecks. So the paycheck for the president, well, he doesn't take one, I guess, but all the paychecks for all the government officials come from that area. I was there, and I needed to get a haircut. Found a barber that had very good ratings on Google, and I thought, I'll go. I show up. He didn't speak a lick of English. I show up there, and I don't know what to expect. He does a haircut. My wife come back and goes, it's the best haircut she has ever seen on me. And this guy took his time. He shaved my neck and shaved all these areas, and I mean took a ton of time. I was just shocked. And he only charges $15. So throw him a 20 and everyone's happy. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. I drive 30 minutes to get that. So chances are you personally think, why in the world have I just sat on this video this long to listen to that story? I have no idea why I just shared it with you. What I do know is I have racquetball tonight, my league, and I need to go and do that. Give me a thumbs up, like it if you like it, and that's it. Let me know if you like the midweek video. Catch you guys later. Bye.